Happy New Year. Can you hear me? Happy New Year to all of you, and welcome to the uh, thank you. So, welcome to the first class of this year. Last day we have done up to question number 10 of exercise number 11.3, that is ellipse. Today I am solving from question number 11. You also do it in your copy. Here vertices and foci, that is given to you. Vertices and foci. That vertices 0, plus minus 13 and the foci 0, plus minus 5. So, you can see here for both the points the abscissa is 0, x quadrant is 0. Okay. So, that means the vertices on the, that means the equation will be of which form? Of which form equation? Yes, type it first. Axis of the ellipse. I am asking you about the axis of the ellipse. Here the vertices and foci both are on the y-axis. 0, plus minus 5, that is on the y-axis, and the vertices, that is also on the y-axis, 0, plus minus 13. That means axis of the ellipse. Axis of the ellipse, that is y-axis. Yes, axis of the ellipse is y-axis. So that means equation of ellipse, let the equation of ellipse be, let the equation of ellipse be x square by b square plus y square by s square equals to 1. Here s square greater than b square. That means the denominator of the y square will be greater than the denominator of the x square. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. So, from the given condition here, you may write here, you know that the vertices, that is here 0, plus minus a, and that is 0, plus minus ae, the foci. So, a equals to 13. I am erasing this one. A equals to 13 and AE equals to 5. So, a square is square equals to 25. That means a square into 1 minus b square by a square, that is 25. That means a square minus b square. Whenever the bracket will be removed, it will be a square minus b square, that is 25. Putting the value of a here, 169. A square means 169 minus b square, that is 25. So, b square means 144. So, b means 12. Isn't it? B equals to 12. So, the equation, therefore, the required equation, that is x square by 144 plus y square by 169 equals to 1. Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. So move on to the next question. That is skipping one question here. I am move on to question number 13. Here I am skipping one question because 10 and 12 are of same type. Okay. We have done the 10 last day. Principal mathematical induction, binomial and mathematical reasoning is excluded. Yes, yes. Excluded by CBSE. You know that due to COVID-19. So move on to question number 13. Okay. Go through it. Question number 13. You also do it in your copy, Vishal. Question number 13. That is ends of major axis plus minus 3 comma 0, ends of minor axis plus 0 comma plus minus 2. Two conditions are given here. Ends of major axis, that is plus minus 3 comma 0, and ends of minor axis, that is 0 comma plus minus 2. So the major axis will be here. Here the major axis will be. Here the major axis will be along x axis or y axis? X axis, very good. Here major axis will be x axis. Now tell me the value of a and b from the given conditions. Tell me the value of a and b. Tell me the value of a and b. Yes, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Very good. Tell me the value of a and b right now. A will be, comparing it, that is plus minus a comma 0. So a equals to 3, and this is 0 comma plus minus b. So b equals to 2. Yes, therefore the required equation of ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equals to 1. Isn't it? Very good. Now move on to the question number 15. 14 is of same type. So move on to question number 15. Question number 15. In length of major axis, length of major axis, length of major axis, that is 26. Okay, that means a equals to the half of the length of major axis. So 26 by 2, that is 13. Isn't it? The value of a? Value of a is 13 or not? Tell me. Respond me. Okay. And the foci that is given, plus minus 5 comma 0. So it will be of this type. 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0. So major axis will be that is x-axis. So let the equation be x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 with a square greater than b square. Isn't it? Already got the value of a, just find the value of b. Just find the value of b. Focus or foci in plural, that is plus minus a comma 0, b is 12. Okay, I am doing the calculation here. So AE equals to 5, a square is square 25, a square into 1 minus b square by a square, that is 25. So a square minus b square, that is 25. 169 minus b square, that is 25. So b square equals to 144, b equals to 12. So equation will be x square by 169 plus y square by 144 equals to 1. Isn't it? Isn't it? The equation. Okay. Now move on to question number 17. You do it and tell me the answer. Question number 17. Foci plus minus 3 comma 0 equals to 4. You do it. A is given. Just tell me the value of b or b square, you may say, and tell me the answer. Question number 17. A equals to 4 is given and the foci that is given plus minus 3 comma 0. Okay, axis is x-axis, very good. So equation will be, let equation be x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 with a square greater than b square. So a equals to 3, a square is square equals to 9, a square into 1 minus b square by a square equals to 9. That means a square minus b square equals to 9. That means 16 minus b square equals to 9. That means b square equals to 7. Therefore, equation will be x square by 16 plus y square by 7 equals to 1. Isn't it? Isn't it? X square by 16 plus y square by 7 equals to 1. Okay, so that's all for today. Before leaving the class, you just type your name with P. You have done some maths activity. Sir, here please tell me what to do. You have done some math activity. I can't understand your question. Tell me again, Vishal. So thank you all of you for doing the class, and next day we'll be back again here with a new class and we'll discuss hyperbola. Till then, goodbye.